itu dibesar
Iya Miss, ekor kafe ya Miss.
sampai ayamnya dua. Iya. Gimana kalau bayar sendiri? Sampai
Bentuknya.
ayo Miss, ready ya? Ready Miss. Oke. Kurang keras Miss.
TV-nya deh.
Ayo. Dipakai dulu.
Miss, yang normal aja. Banyak betul. Ayo respect. Kalau respect lah, ini aja.
Bentar ya.
Oke, sudah siap ya belajar hari ini? Siap.
Ya.
Before we start our lesson, I want to ask you some questions. Have you ever watched or read information from TV or social media?
Yes.
Of course. And the information is not a story but fact. It gives general information based on observation and research. So, what kind of text give factual information like that? So, what we call that?
Paper text is the text that gives factual information about something in general. Sejenis.
Ya, yang betul. Report text. Knowledge
Yes, Miss. Aduh, jangan.
Oh, you really
Grills are the largest of all the grids. The grill can be 180 centimeters tall and can weigh 200 kilograms. Grills are restaurant like the color of the fire. In fact, they are visible any color. Grills live in small middle group of over 90 and fruit bearers grow strong, other males and the males and other females with the babies. Slowly around the large area of Shanghai and Texas. In some ways, girls are fairly fluent. They are happy, loud, and with their arms. They are angry, repeated chase. They are sad, they cry, but they cry quietly without any terrors. Unfortunately, people have and kill gorillas. They also cuddle and burn big trees. There are now only over 10,000 gorillas left in the world.
Okay, what animal did you see in the video?
Gorilla.
Next, is the information based on opinion, story, or fact? Yeah, that's correct. Now, we. Nah. So today we are going to learn more about what report text is in detail. Anyone know of the definition of report text? Yes, kurang.
Report text is a text that gives factual information about something in general.
Yes, great. So let's check it. Okay, the definition of report text is type of factual text that present information about general things such as animal, plants, object, or natural and social phenomena based on observation, research, or existing knowledge. So this is what is called with report text. Next, the purpose. The purpose of a report text is to give factual information about something in general based on observation, research, or existing knowledge. So it is not based on personal opinion, but on real and true fact. Next, structure. There are two structures in report text. The first one is general classification. General classification is found in the first paragraph. In this paragraph, it discusses the general aspect related to the object being described, such as plants, animal, place, object, and others. And then description. The description is found from the second paragraph until the end. It contains more detailed explanation and is usually divided into several parts, such as the characteristic of an animal, its habitat, its food, and others details. Now I have an example of report text. Let's see in the first paragraph. give general information about the object. For example, di sini contohnya fish. Fish. And then the second paragraph it is called with description because it explains the object in more detail, such as characteristic of fish, habitat, or other information. The language feature in report text using simple present tense. For example, the sun rises in the east. And then using action verb, for example, bird fly in the sky. And then general noun, for example, dogs, not my dog. And then relative or linking verb, for example, is, are, seen. And then third person POV, for example, elephant are large animal, not using first person POV. Contohnya seperti I think elephant are big or in my opinion, something like that. In this slide, you need to know that report text and descriptive text is similar. Report text and descriptive text give factual information about an object, but however the difference is in the focus. Report text and descriptive text describe a specific object. For example, like my house.
Tunggu ya, Miss.
Iya.
Betul boyolan.
Ini plus yang
Kucingnya itu ngambek ya.
kamu sebut manusia jadi hiu. Tidak tahu lagi. Manusia jadi hiu.
Iya.
Manusia jadi hiu. Oh, hiu. Apa? Dolphin. Kayak hiu.
Loren itu dapat dari mana stiker kayak gitu? Mulutnya ribet. Tuh, ya.
Soalnya terus.
Ini siapa? Tom Scott apa? Tom Scott?
Adil. Biasa.
Adil.
Aku yang muda
itu nih?
Ternyata dia.
Laba-laba Sunda.
Masih lama. Selesai.
Daripada ngompol,
Teridentifikasi Laba Sunda.
Ini hewan apa induk?
Ini siapa? Ini siapa? Induk siapa? Kan si Bor.
Aku belum lulus tuh. Aku
Hafiz itu bisa sebut.
Hafiz.
Laba-laba Sunda.
Ini laba-laba Sunda.
Tiger laba-laba Sunda.
Oke, time's up.
Miss itu gambar tidak senonoh, Miss. Itu laba Sunda.
Laba-laba Sunda, Miss.
Aku
Wah.
pakai editnya dulu.
Laba-laba Sunda. Apa itu maksudnya?
Oke, saya akan pilih salah satu dari kalian ya. Bentar. Ini induk, ini manusia apa hewan ya?
Manusia.
terus kenapa ditaruh di mamalia?
I will choose kuda lumping. Maju ke depan. Siapa kuda lumping?
Ini mamalia. Jenisnya mikir itu apa ya?
Horse. The horse is a large mammal that belongs to the family Equidae. Apa yang bacanya? Equidae. Horse are herbivores and mainly eat grass, hay, and grains. They have strong legs that help them run fast and carry heavy loads. Horses are often used for transportation, farming, sports, and recreation. They are intelligent animals and can be trained to follow commands. Horses usually live in groups called herds and communicate through sounds and body movements. That's all, Miss.
Jangan dulu. Oke. Which general classification?
Sudah gajah.
Ya, dibaca.
General classification-nya itu ini, Miss. A horse is a large mammal that belongs to the family Equidae.
And then description-nya.
Description-nya horses are itu, Miss, sampai titik.
Oke. Thank you, Raffi.
Ya, sama, Miss.
Good. Can someone explain what report text is? Satu. Anissa. A report text is a text that gives factual information about something in general. And then what the purpose of report text? Aku ya.
Pasti ada.
The purpose is to give factual information based on information that research.
Okay, now let's move to reflection. Was today's lesson easy or difficult for you?
Easy.
Easy. Why so? Why easy?
Why easy?
Because the information correctly and complete.
Enggak pelajaran tentang report text atau mudah?
Easy because the definition have you described in detail.